Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and go ahead and give me a thumbs up on this video. This evening I'm going to be making some Christmas crack. Now, this is a tasty recipe that you can try at home. It's simple with just a few ingredients. Let me go ahead and tell you what's in it, and I will always tell you under the video what the exact measurements are and the directions. But you're going to take a sleeve of saltine crackers. You're going to have some butter, some brown sugar, some semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now you can use the dark chocolate if you prefer. There's some vanilla and just salt. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You're going to take a 10 by 15 jelly roll pan and you're going to line it with aluminum foil and go ahead and spray it. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to line this pan with the crackers. And then what we're going to do next is go over to the stove and show you what the next step is. So I'm going to finish this up. Okay y'all, we're going to go ahead and get our next step going. What you're going to do is just take a medium saucepan and you're going to put your 2 sticks of butter in. And then we're going to put the brown sugar and the salt. And what you're going to do is whisk this until it is really smooth. We're going to have it to where we're going to pour this over the crackers. And let's go ahead and add in our salt. And then what you're going to let this do is you're going to want it to come to a boil. And like I said, you just want it to be creamy, so we can pour this over the crackers. And it's going to take about 4 to 6 minutes to get all this gelled completely. So we're going to keep on whisking this just until it's all good and melted in. As you can see, the butter's starting to melt down and the brown sugar is already dissolving in it. All right. I'm going to keep on doing this. So it's going to, like I said, take 4 to 6 minutes, and then we're going to come back and show you what we do with it next. Okay, y'all, we've got our brown sugar and our butter mixture off the stove. Now the last thing is going to put the vanilla in, and then you're just going to mix it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pour this over the crackers, and we're going to put this in our oven. It's been preheated at 400 for 5 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and pour this over it now. Just like that. Just try to get it as evenly as you can over the crackers. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get this in the oven, and we're going to come back in a few minutes and show you what we do next. Okay, y'all, we've got these out of the oven. Now we're going to go ahead and put our chocolate over them. Now you can do this on the stove, and you're just going to want to put it on here and then just spread it out over the crackers. And then once you do this, you're going to let this cool down to room temperature, and then we're going to put them in the refrigerator until they set up, and that way you can take them out and then break them up into like pieces of candy, and then you can just store them. So I'm going to go ahead and finish coating this all over. I'm going to let it cool off, and then I'm going to put it in our refrigerator, and we're going to come back and show you how it looks. Okay, y'all, we've got our Christmas crack out of the refrigerator, and what you're going to want to do is just carefully peel away the aluminum foil, and then you're just going to break it into pieces. And that's why it's called crack. But I hope that y'all will try this recipe. I hope y'all will enjoy it. We're certainly going to try it and enjoy it this evening. And I hope that y'all have a wonderful day. And thank y'all so much for watching.